What if your nerves could repair themselves naturally? It sounds unbelievable, but science says it might actually be possible. There is a vitamin that plays a key role in nerve regeneration, reducing pain and slowing down aging from the inside out. It's not vitamin D or vitamin B12, it's vitamin B3, also known as niacinamide. Vitamin B3 is one of the essential nutrients your body needs to function properly. It helps produce a molecule called NAD+, which provides energy to every single cell in your body, including your nerve cells. Without enough NAD+, your nerves cannot repair damage or communicate effectively. As we age, our NAD+ levels drop dramatically, leading to inflammation, fatigue, and slow nerve recovery. That's why maintaining vitamin B3 levels is crucial for healthy aging and nerve function. There are three main forms of vitamin B3: niacin, niacinamide, and nicotinamide riboside. All of them help increase NAD+ in the body, but research shows that niacinamide and nicotinamide riboside are especially effective for protecting and repairing nerve cells. In 2017, scientists discovered that boosting NAD+ levels helped damaged nerves regenerate faster in animal studies. Another study showed that vitamin B3 protected nerve cells from damage caused by chemotherapy. In a genetic nerve disease model called Charcot-Marie Tooth, niacin improved the electrical activity of damaged nerves. How does it work? It boosts NAD+ inside the nerve cells, reduces oxidative stress, which causes nerve inflammation, and strengthens the mitochondria, the tiny energy engines inside the cells. All these effects combined help the nerves recover faster and stay stronger. Human studies are also showing exciting results. In one published in JAMA Ophthalmology, patients with optic nerve damage took niacinamide and showed significant improvement in nerve function. Other trials are now testing nicotinamide riboside for repairing small fiber neuropathy. These are real scientific studies, not hype, not marketing, actual data that show how this vitamin supports nerve repair. But before you rush to buy a supplement, it's important to know how to use it safely. Most studies use between 100 and 150 milligrams of niacinamide, taken 3 to 6 times daily, spaced evenly throughout the day. Smaller, frequent doses are better than one large dose. It's also important to avoid alcohol and ensure you get enough protein in your diet. If you have liver issues or take medications, talk to your doctor before starting. Niacin can cause skin flushing at high doses, but niacinamide usually doesn't. Combine this vitamin with a balanced lifestyle, healthy food, regular movement, proper hydration, and good sleep. Because nerve health isn't just about one supplement, it's about your entire lifestyle. If you're over 50, your body's ability to repair nerves naturally declines. But by supporting your NAD+ levels with vitamin B3, you can help your body restore its own healing process. Imagine waking up with less tingling, less numbness, more strength, and mental clarity. That's what optimal nerve function can feel like. Vitamin B3 might not be a magic pill, but it's one of the most powerful tools nature has given us to protect and rejuvenate the nervous system. Science shows it doesn't just slow damage, it may actually help the body rebuild from within. So can a vitamin really repair nerves? The answer might surprise you. Maybe not completely, but it can give your body what it needs to do so naturally. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science-based health videos. Stay healthy, stay curious, and keep learning how to age powerfully.